Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to convert Canva website to HTML. Alright, first thing that you need to do here is to open up your Canva website, of course. Alright, once you are on your project, just go ahead and click on share button right here at the top right and hit on public view link. Alright, once done, just go ahead and click on copy link right here, copied. Open a new tab, right click on the URL box and hit on paste. Once done, just simply hit on enter. Alright, as you can see here, the website loads. Just go ahead and right click on the website, then hit on save as. And then you're going to want to select web page complete or web page HTML only. Alright, just go ahead and hit on save. As you can see here, I've already done this earlier. So just for this example, I'm going to hit on yes. I'll wait for the download to finish. It's done. I'm going to click on it to open up the website. And there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.